stoichiometry problem in which we're given amounts of two different reagents. That means that it's a limiting reagent problem, and also take note that the formula weights are given, so don't waste time calculating them. Procedure for a limiting reagent problem: we take each reagent and calculate how much potential product can be produced if all of it were consumed, then compare. At the heart of each of these calculations is a mole-to-mole ratio that's determined by the balanced chemical equation. Let's compare the amounts. We need to choose the smaller of the two amounts as our max product. This is the smaller amount. It's our max product. We have to choose the smaller amount because we would run out of limiting reagent before we produce this much. The reagent that leads to the max product is going to be our limiting reagent. The other reagent is our excess reagent. Now we'll worry about sig figs. For sig figs, we consider the numbers that lead to our answer. That would be those here. We ignore any sig figs in the calculation that does not lead to our answer. This leads to our answer. So it looks here we're going to be limited to 3 sig figs in our final answer. The first number to be dropped is 5, so we're going to round up. Our final answer is 21.8 grams.